Welcome to the Cromwell, reopening after all of these months. They reopened maybe about 30 minutes ago, and we're about to head inside and check in. Can't wait. The news is here, and so are we. Opening night, they're cleaning up from all the festivities. Just happened about 30 minutes ago. Looks like it must have been a lot of fun. Some confetti. The Cromwell, the last Caesars entertainment property on the Strip, now open. The casino's been open about 30 minutes.
Hello and welcome to the Las Vegas Strip. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean from Miles to Memories, and I'm so glad to bring you this review and tour of the Cromwell on its reopening day. It had been closed since March, but it just reopened a little bit over a week ago on the Las Vegas Strip, and I was there. We'll have a full casino tour, take you all around the property, and of course the room and the view. So much to see. Stick around. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the Cromwell and the video. Can't wait to hear from you. Here is the casino, as I said earlier, about 30 minutes after opening, and there were a number of people, but I wouldn't quite call it busy. But there was a lot of activity going on.
They do have police and K9 units on hand here.
Let's head to the lobby and check in. And the Cromwell was using this temperature scanner. I haven't seen this at any of the other Caesars properties. Worked pretty well. Now the lobby here is just off the back area, kind of near the sports book and the driveway. It's a small area, and this is actually an office that I accidentally poked into, but it's very much in line with other boutique hotels that you might see, and definitely appreciate the decor. Very nice area. The decor in all of the public areas of the Cromwell is really nice, as you'll see throughout this tour.
Let's head upstairs.
6th floor.
Looks like we're in 608. So it looks like we're pretty far down the hall, which should mean we're closer to the Strip. So hopefully a nice view. We do have a view outside the Strip side of Cromwell. Rooms at the Cromwell are not all that big, but very unique to Las Vegas. You're not going to see this kind of furniture or artwork. Very much a boutique style casino hotel. Really great view from this room. Can't wait to show you that. There is some wear here. You see that white spot on the television? That is something that I have no idea wasn't cleaned. Kind of nasty, but very nice furniture here. Little chessboard / coffee table, or not chessboard, what is that, cribbage? Let me know if that's cribbage or something else in the comments. Plugs beside the bed, no worries there. There is a fridge here, but it looks like it's set up for a mini bar. So it is one of those fridges, I think, that automatically deducts if something's missing, but since it's empty, might be able to use it. You got the throne chair there. Very cozy room. There's a little sneak peek of our view. Can't wait to show you that later. It's going to be a spectacular Bellagio Fountain view. You got your little dressing area here. And there's your view I'll show you later when the shows are going on. Can't wait for that. And then into the bathroom.
As you can see, the Cromwell room is fairly nice. They definitely are going for a luxury feel. I found the furniture to be pretty worn, and that's kind of a downfall of this room. Definitely nice, but worn everywhere. And then of course that nastiness on the television. Now, I didn't pay anything for this room. This was a comp on my account, and then with my Caesars Rewards Diamond status that I get through Founderscard, I didn't pay any resort fees. I definitely appreciated the strip view they gave me, and we'll give you more of that later. But let's head back down into the casino of the Cromwell. Now, the Cromwell opened on March 2nd, 1979 as the Barbary Coast, and it replaced Empey's Desert Villa, which had sat on the same land since 1952. This is Giada's, which opened in the Cromwell in 2014 when the hotel reopened under its current brand, and the restaurant is now open. This is the only part of the Cromwell that is for families, and you saw how it has its own separate entrance from the street. As of now, the Cromwell is the only adults-only hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip, and Giada's is the only place that children are welcome.
Let's look outside, see if it's a little cleaner than it had been.
Barbary Coast was built by Michael Gaughan in 1979 at a cost of $11.5 million. He, of course, also built coast casinos, the Gold Coast, the Orleans, the Sun Coast, and that company was eventually sold to Boyd Gaming in 2004.
Still pretty nasty out here.
In 2007, Boyd Gaming swapped Barbary Coast, what is now the Cromwell, with Caesars Entertainment for 11 acres on the North Strip, which was to be used for their Echelon Place project. Check out our construction videos to find out more about the history of Echelon Place, but that is essentially where Resorts World is now. So the Resorts World project is where that land was, but that's how Caesars Entertainment got a hold of, at the time, the Barbary Coast, and they renamed it Bill's Gamblin Hall and Salloon, and it reopened March 1st, 2007. Now, the property features two very nice lounges. This one right here, which features a stage and lots of space, and then another one closer to the lobby with a stunning bar and beautiful decor. Also great views of the brand new branded William Hill Sportsbook, which we'll also take a look at. Let's walk around a bit.
The newly rebranded William Hill Sportsbook. What do you think of this red decor at the Cromwell? I really enjoy it. Of course, Drai's is not open. Nightclub's just not open yet here in Las Vegas. Have you ever been to Drai's? No, I have never been. Not a huge nightclub guy, but I know this is a very popular nightclub. Lots of space to line up on a busy night.
One of the benefits of the Cromwell is its location right on the corner of Flamingo Road and Las Vegas Blvd, and it has access to Link, and also we're going to show you Ellis Island a little bit later, which has some great food and is really cheap. Now, Bill's Gamblin Hall and Salloon actually closed in 2013 to make way for the Cromwell. Originally, it was going to be named the Gansevoort. The naming fell through, but eventually it reopened April 21st, 2014 as the Cromwell, and it's still known as the Cromwell today. And look at this beautiful view from my room. I will have a view a little bit later at night, but this was one of the nicer views of the Bellagio Fountains I've seen from anywhere on the Las Vegas Strip. "7 p.m. on the casino floor." When the Cromwell reopened, it had some new features, including Drai's nightclub and beach, which is a 65,000 square foot pool venue on the top floor, Giada's restaurant, which has beautiful views out over the Strip and the Bellagio Fountains, and of course, this fully renovated decor along with fully renovated rooms that you saw. This is prime real estate on the Las Vegas Strip. I also have mentioned many times in videos, this isn't the cleanest area, but once you get inside the Cromwell, it is very high end. It feels very, very good. At nighttime, there's not much to see out here on this flamingo frontage of the Cromwell, but we are going to head out to Ellis Island, which is just down the road. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from either the Cromwell, the Flamingo, or Bally's, right to the backside of it. Ellis Island is a casino, has much lower minimums than you'll see anywhere else. Really great atmosphere and really good food. They have Metro Pizza, a couple different restaurants, lots to see. We're going to tour that casino in a second. Let's make our way down Flamingo Road over to Ellis Island, and let's take a peek around. Ellis Island recently underwent an expansion, and they have this brand new area that brings outdoors, indoors. There was actually football going on when we visited, and this looks like an amazing place to watch the game, and really a nice addition there. As we leave you with our beautiful view of the Las Vegas Strip and the Bellagio Fountains. Unfortunately, I wasn't all that impressed with the Cromwell. I feel like the rooms feel a little dated, and some of the renovations done to some of the other Caesars properties have made them a little bit nicer. The road noise wasn't appreciated, nor was the nastiness in the room. But overall, I'd give this a 3 out of 5. Definitely a little disappointed with the hotel, but I've always loved the casino. Let me know what you think about the Cromwell. Leave a comment. Let's pick it up there. Thanks for watching. Bye.